wall.
Get back to work, my little fish.
This is why we need to build a wall.
What's your name, bro?
My name is Don. What is your name, beautiful woman?
I'm not a woman, I'm a man.
Oh, you're the man?
My name is Chris.
You're a woman who wants to be a man?
No, I'm a man who wants to be a man.
You are transformed, correct?
I'm a man who wants to try hard. I'm a man who wants to be a man, please.
I'm crying.
It's okay to be transformed. Don't worry. If you want to transform, look, listen to me, bastard bitch. Listen to me. If you want to transform, you can do it.
Hey, bro, we ain't talking here, okay? Okay. I was just messing with you, okay?
Autobots, roll out. Somebody needs to help the beautiful woman. She's going to die.